Here we have a 2018 BMW 540i XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get a 20-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork which looks absolutely fantastic. Black kidney grills at the front just there. We've also got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle as you can see by the front splitter and side skirts just there. We've then got your second 20-inch alloy wheel, M Sports badging just above, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles. Door handles have chrome accents on them as well. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. There's a look at that third alloy wheel. Now we do have both front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera in this car. Now let's have a look in that boot as well. Plenty of storage space in here as you can see, for whatever you may need. Close that down. You'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now then, going on to the interior, we have got a full ivory white leather interior as you can see just there, Dakota leather as well. We've got these fantastic seams throughout as well. ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. We've got the vents in the middle there with the 12-volt connectivity, additional storage behind the front seats as well. Ambient lighting throughout, gloss black trim, brushed metal handle. We've got our integrated Harman Kardon sound system as well as electric window controls. Coming into the front here, we've got that same full ivory white Dakota leather, and again, how fantastic do these seats look. On the doors here we've got unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric gloss black trim, electric window controls with electric power folding wing mirrors, that same Harman Kardon, and of course the boot release down there as well. Now these seats are electrically adjustable too, so they're incredibly easy to move, like you can see just there. Auto lights on your right. Step inside, start the car up, and we are away. Now as you can see, we have got our multifunctional steering wheel with things like cruise control, speed limiter. We've got our phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. Auto wipers on the right. On the left we've got our start stop button. Of course we've got the digital display just behind. We've got the orange triangle there, but that's just due to having a low range. And this display will actually change depending on which mode we're in as well, as you can see just there. Coming into the middle, I'll show you off those modes. So we've got sport mode, we've got comfort mode, and we've also got eco mode. Each of these having their own different driving characteristics. You can pick and choose which one best suits your style at the time. Satellite navigation. We've also got different forms of media connectivity, as you can see on here. Now, as well as that, we've got phone communication. We've got phone connectivity, so we can make calls or listen to music. Put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see we've got our visual display, front and rear sensors, as well as our reversing camera just there. Now then, as well as that, we've got our intelligent safety, which if we go back into park and then press the button like so, you'll see we've got that intelligent safety and those features just there too. Now making our way down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls. Both front passengers have heated seats, as you can see there as well. Down here we've got two good sized cup holders, a USB connection point and wireless charging capabilities, as well as that 12-volt connection point there too. We've got shortcuts and control wheel with touchpad for the infotainment screen. Gear stick just here. We can take manual control with this as well, like so, should you wish. Back into park for now. Traction control, different driving modes. Button for our parking sensors. We've also got our electronic handbrake with auto hold functions. Soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage. And in there you'll find that other USB and 12-volt connection point as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 540i M Sport XDRIVE. Now, the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now, as you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering up to keep it a straight line. It's going straight and true, and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now, we do have your heads up display, which is directly in front of you, as well as the speedo down here. You can tell, not by look, well, when you're looking straight ahead, you can see the speed that you're going, say if you're looking up and down. I do also have cruise control and speed limits on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. Now to activate, simply press the button at the top and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. To go up by 1, push up very slightly, and then to go up to the nearest 5 miles an hour, push up until you feel a bit of a click, and then it'll have gone to the nearest 5 miles an hour. Now you can see what speed you're doing on the heads-up display, as it tells you the cruise control speed, and it also tells you the speed that you're going. Now we do also have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode, which I'm going to now. So currently in 5th, down to 4th, into 3rd, back up to 4th, and back into 5th, and then going to let the car take back over by simply just letting go. Now you can also put the car into M and S, M meaning manual and S meaning sport, by pushing the gear stick to the left, and then it goes into M or S. Now when it's in S, it revs through the rev range a lot longer, and also goes through the gear changes a lot quicker. Now in the centre we do have your satellite navigation, which is also a touch screen. You also have DAB radio, Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity there as well. Now we do have very comfortable full leather seats, which you could quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in it and still get out feeling fresh as well. We do also have the Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 3 to 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Cargoes. Now if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out if anyone wanted knocks or bangs. Now if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. But right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to, before I emergency stop, and pop it straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the screen in the centre the rear reversing camera and the front and rear parking sensors. So pull in and now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard and steady brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just on the right hand side there. Then back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and motor on video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this video test drive and motor on video. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.